Shuwa nag-aslam yung unawsan Hima.
Meeting where the Prime Minister had discussed the vaccination with certain deputy commissioners of the country. About 9 deputy commissioners were where the Prime Minister interacted directly. Out of those 9, East Baroh Hills also was there, because East Baroh Hills also is one of the states in which it is one of the districts where the amount is vaccination is lesser than the national average. Though it is at about 50 plus now, it's still below the national average. So therefore, other districts which were below the national average were also discussed. Prime Minister has given suggestions to all the districts to how to improve on it, and a long discussion took place. A lot of interaction was there between the deputy commissioners and the Prime Minister. And from our point as the Chief Ministers, the Honourable Prime Minister wanted us to be there so that this matter would be taken up seriously. And so the Deputy Commissioners mostly spoke, but more or less we also have made up our mind that in the next 2 months, so that we as a state during this festive season can actually enjoy the festive season and move out more freely, we would also want to see that the vaccination process reaches 100% within this festive season, which means before Christmas we'll be targeting that we should achieve 100%. And with that motive, we have also planned out a few points. We'll be finalizing them in a day or two, and we'll be pushing for more vaccination in the coming weeks and the coming months. But obviously, this message was meant for all the districts which are likely there. About I think 60 or 70 districts are below the national average. So this message was for all of them. But discussion and participation from Meghalaya was only from one district. There was one from Chhattisgarh, there was one from Rajasthan, there was one from Manipur, one from Nagaland, one from Arunachal. So like that, there were like one districts, about 9 of them from different parts.